There truly is fundamentally potential for Star Atlas DAO cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as extremely high as $now 7.3 toward the finish of 2025, which especially is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO cost estimate proposes a chance of Polies exchanging between $359 to $4.4 in 2030. Star Atlas DAO truly is at present valued at $212 on the lookout, which especially is very huge. The typical extended cost for Star Atlas DAO in 2040 in every way that really matters is supposed to generally be $13, with genuinely likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $2.07 and $0.41, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Our Star Atlas DAO certainly long-haul gauge for 2050 recommends Polies possibly running somewhere in the range of $3.38 and $3.47, which generally is genuinely huge. Starting around 26 February 2024, Star Atlas DAO basically is exchanging at $42 at 12 in term of its US rate, with the value change of 39% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Polies truly has a sort of complete market cap of $102,907,159 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $585,120. This really makes Star Atlas DAO Polies most certainly positioning at 410 in the digital currency market, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2024, what will Star Atlas DAO truly be genuinely worth in 2024, which for the most part is very huge? Is Star Atlas DAO a generally excellent venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2024? Which for the most part is very critical. Will Polies cost in every way that really matters outperform its unequaled high, or so they most certainly thought? These for the most part are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polies' future in a genuinely huge manner. Star Atlas DAO Polies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Polies cost by and large is supposed to generally cross a genuinely normal value level of $5.673, the normal exceptionally least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the truly current year ought to be $509, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Polies can fundamentally arrive at an especially most extreme value level of $6,591 in a significant manner. Star Atlas DAO Polies value gauge February 2024. The Star Atlas DAO Polies cost for February 2024 may really arrive at a truly least worth of $36, while the sort of most extreme estimated cost by and large is around $44.29 in a genuinely significant manner. The typical cost for Polies really is by and large anticipated to sort of reach $43 or $6 in February 2024 in a significant way. Star Atlas DAO value estimate Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the very greatest cost for Star Atlas DAO could essentially stretch around $46 or $44 in a by and large significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Polies in Walk 2024 certainly is $4230 with a sort of typical cost of $4435 amazingly. Polies value estimate April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Star Atlas DAO basically is supposed to especially arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $4359 in an unpretentious manner. The Polies cost could arrive at a kind of most extreme cost of $48 and $21 with the typical cost around $45 and $23 in a truly significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation May 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO truly is especially anticipated to explicitly reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $45 and $40 in May 2024, which truly is very critical. The Polies cost could sort of arrive at a really most extreme worth of $5.47 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $704 all through 2024, which by and large is genuinely huge. Polies value conjecture June 2024. The Star Atlas DAO gauge for June 2024 expects that the Polies may explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest worth of $5.236 with a fundamentally least cost of around $12.687, which generally is genuinely huge. Discussing the especially normal value Polies can in every way that really matters stretch around $48.92 for June, or so they in a real sense thought. Star Atlas DAO value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the most extreme cost for Star Atlas DAO could fundamentally stretch around $5.31. demonstrating the way that discussing the essentially normal value policies can really stretch around $48.92 for June, which sort of is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of policies in July 2024 fundamentally is $48.26 with an especially normal cost of $1.90, showing how Star Atlas DAO policies value expectation 2024 as per the Star Atlas DAO gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the policies cost essentially is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross an in every practical sense normal value level of $0.5 the normal least value worth of Star Atlas DAO toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to, in every practical sense, be $509 in a significant way. Policies value conjecture August 2024. The Star Atlas DAO figure for August 2024 expects that the policies may generally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.5 in 681 with a very least cost of around $0.49 at 35, which generally is very critical. Discussing the typical value. Policies can stretch around $0.5 for August in an in every practical sense enormous way. Star Atlas DAO value gauge September 2024. In September 2024, the cost of Star Atlas DAO explicitly is supposed to generally be at around an essentially least of $5.38, which generally is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO cost can really arrive at a limit of $5.886 with for the most part normal cost of $5.2 at 43 in USD, which certainly is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO value expectation October 2024. Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is supposed to especially reach between $0.5289 to $0.6096 in October 2024, while the all things considered, normal cost of policies for the October in a real sense stays around $0.5453 Star Atlas DAO policies value figure November 2024. The Star Atlas DAO policies cost for November 2024 may fundamentally arrive at any rate worth of $5 at 398. While the really most extreme estimated cost is around $0.6369, or so they especially thought. The especially normal cost for policies for the most part is really anticipated to basically reach $562 in November 2024 in an unpretentious way. Star Atlas DAO policies value expectation December 2024. The cost for Star Atlas DAO in December 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $5.9 and $65.91. Which in a real sense is very critical. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to generally be around $6.73, which especially is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO past value examination in the beyond 24 hours, the crypto for the most part has been explicitly diminished by 191% in its truly current worth. Assume